Today, I'll show you how to reset your Zoho Mail account password. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can change your password quickly and safely whenever you need to. First, open your web browser and go to mail.zoho.com. This is the main Zoho Mail login page and where you usually access your inbox. Make sure you're on the correct site and that the address bar shows the secure connection lock icon, so you know you're on the official Zoho page and not a fake one. If you're already signed in, you should see your inbox or Zoho Mail dashboard. If not, go ahead and log in with your current credentials. Remember, in this tutorial, we're focusing on changing your password from inside your account, so you'll need to be able to sign in at least once with your existing password. Once you're in Zoho Mail, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon. Depending on your setup, this might look like your initials, a small avatar image, or a generic user icon. Click that profile icon. This is your main access point for account-related settings, not just for mail, but often for other Zoho services linked to your account. When the profile menu opens, look for an option labeled My Account. Go ahead and click My Account. This will take you out of the mail view and into the central Zoho account management area. Think of this as your control panel where you can manage personal details, security settings, and other preferences related to your Zoho identity. On the account management page, you'll see several sections or tabs. Here you want to find the one labeled Security. This is where Zoho groups everything related to protecting your account, like passwords, multi-factor authentication, and other sign-in preferences. Click on Security to open that section. Once you're in the security section, look for the option that says Set Password, or it may show as Change Password depending on your current setup. Even though it says Set Password, this is the place you go to update or reset the password you use to sign into Zoho Mail and related services. Click Set Password. Zoho will now guide you through the password change process. Typically, you'll be asked to confirm your current password, then enter a new one and retype it to make sure there are no typos. When choosing your new password, aim for something strong and unique, a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols, and avoid using obvious information like your name or simple sequences. After entering and confirming your new password, save or confirm the change. Zoho may sign you out on some devices and ask you to sign in again using your new password. This is normal and helps keep your account secure. That's it. You've gone to Zoho Mail, opened your profile, accessed your account settings, navigated to security, and used the set password option to reset your Zoho Mail account password.